guys, welcome to my channel Fitness Mentor. Today we have come up with a new video on calf muscle. So guys, why is calf muscle important in your body? Calf muscle is very important to give you balance, stability, and it improves your range of motion, which will help you to your angle to move faster. So guys, always train your calf muscle. So today I will show you some new variation which calf muscle is very important. You should train your calf muscle to give you a balance to your body. So guys, I will show you few variation to improve your calf muscle in day-to-day life. And guys, you should always focus on your calf muscle because you stand on your legs, you need balance and you need motive to be faster. Guys, I will show you few variation how to improve your overall calf muscle. Guys, I'll show you one variation. So in the beginning you can just stretch your muscle and start. So I do in my exercise just a stretch of a full muscle. In the beginning, you should heat the muscle. Whenever you do a calf exercise, you should heat the muscle and give some soreness before starting a new variation or adding a new variation. So guys, follow me. I will show you now how to heat the muscle. So for beginners, you can do it 25 to 30 repetition. For seniors like intermediate who is in advanced level, they can do it at least 50 reps a set. 50 reps of 3 sets to heat your muscle. Okay, just follow me here. Just go up, down, up, down, up, down, up, down. No need to touch the ground. Go full, complete up, down, up, down, up, down, up, down, up, down, up, down. I will show you today a 3 different angle of variation for the calf, so which will give you overall calf muscle. Follow me. So this is a basic shoulder level. You can do one angle like this. At least 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. The next angle will be toes out. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. So guys, the third angle will be opposite to this. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. After doing this, you can focus on your front calf also. So this is your front calf. So always try to train overall muscle. Guys, always try to train overall muscle. Front calf, you should stand on the normal shoulder level. You can train like this, front calf. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, like that. And if you want, you can add double, like reverse, front, reverse, front, reverse, front. So guys, always remember, calf is your important muscle on your body. Why? Because all the body activity depends on your legs. So when you have enough muscle, enough strong calf, which will give you, can increase activity of your day-to-day life and give you a faster movement on your body. Calf will give you health and good support to your ankles. So always try to train your calf. Guys, keep following Fitness Mentor, subscribe to my channel and keep promoting fitness. Keep maintaining a healthy diet for healthy life. Thank you. Bye.